Costas in this Konica Minolta Swing Vision.
Let's look at
Anything you
Tiger
see
Woods
here
swing with his
the
driver
second
with
shot
the
into the
Konica
10th here?
Minolta BizHub
Well,
swing
let's take a
vision
look
camera.
at it.
I'm going to draw some lines
Tiger's
representing his
positions
shoulders
by now,
and
we all
his
know
arms
they're
at address.
impeccable. They're just
That
wonderful.
triangle is very important.
Good full shoulder
because
turn.
as
What he's
Tiger
done
takes
so
the club
nicely
back,
with the short
we all
irons
know how much
is he cuts the
turns,
swing off
how
right
big
about
his
there.
arc is.
His arms are
positions
much
are
higher in
wonderful.
swing plane than they
But what
were
he's
back
doing
in
now,
Carnoustie. That
rather
lets him
than
get his
flipping
arms
at the
back in
bottom or
front of his
hanging
body.
on through impact, he's getting
But
his
notice how
arms
quiet
at
his legs were
impact
that
back
allowed
to
his arms
almost
to go past
identically
and
the
through.
same position
Couple
he
more
had
shots
at
that we saw him
address.
tug to the left.
Watch this as he approaches
He got a
impact.
little bit
Look at
aggressive
the
with his
arms.
lower
They're
body and
almost
opened up the lower
identical
body
to
too
what they
soon.
were at address. By getting his arms back in front of
Boy, a lot
him,
of rotation
he
of
can be
the
much
hands and arms
softer
trying to
with the
draw that ball
release.
in there.
His follow-through is much simpler, and he's much more in
Looked like
balance.
he just lost a little bit of
That's
level
the
on that
consistency
one,
part
Peter.
of Tiger's
He
golf
full,
swing.
you know.
How about
Just
the
a little
power
bit.
part?
Just enough
This
to be
view is
pretty
unbelievable. Watch the muscles in his back. He's going to turn his shoulders probably 120, 25 degrees, but take note of how the hips now, they're going to start to unwind. And as they unwind, he keeps the shoulders turned, keeps the right elbow tucked in, and then in order to deliver the club to impact, watch the rotation up and away of the left shoulder. Wow, it takes a lot of strength to be able to swing a golf club like that, and flexibility as well.